Geographic arbitrage is the strategy of leveraging cost of living differences between countries to maximize retirement savings. For retirees, this means relocating to destinations where the dollar has greater purchasing power. Studies show that countries like Mexico, Vietnam, and Portugal offer 50 to 70% lower living costs than the US. This video explores 15 nations where your retirement income can fund a comfortable lifestyle, from beachfront living to affordable healthcare. In Chiang Mai, Thailand, a retiree can live comfortably on $1,200 per month, less than half the US average. Groceries cost 60% less, while utilities are 75% cheaper. Meanwhile, Portugal's Algarve region offers Mediterranean living with 40% lower housing costs. Our comparison charts reveal how $3,000 per month provides luxury in Panama but covers only basics in Florida. These savings stem from currency advantages and local pricing structures favoring expats. Ecuador's Cuenca offers colonial-style homes from $500 a month, including utilities. In Malaysia's Penang, beachfront condos rent for $800, less than a studio in Miami. Property taxes are exceptionally low. Portugal charges just 0.3% of home value annually versus 1.1% US average. These markets also offer purchase incentives, like Ecuador's 90-day tourist visa that converts to residency with real estate investment over $42,500. Costa Rica's Caja healthcare system provides comprehensive coverage for $100 a month, including prescriptions. Dental implants cost $1,500 in Mexico versus $5,000 plus in the US with comparable quality. Thailand's Bangkok Hospital, JCI accredited, offers heart bypass at 80% US prices. Many countries also provide medical tourism visas, combining treatment with recovery in tropical settings, a growing trend among retirees. A $2,500 monthly budget breaks down differently worldwide. In Colombia, it covers a luxury apartment, $800, housekeeping, $200, and dining out daily. Vietnam allows for live and help, plus travel on the same budget. Importantly, many countries exclude foreign earned income from local taxes. The IRS foreign earned income exclusion further protects up to $120,000 per year from U.S. taxes for qualifying expats. Panama's Pensionado visa requires just $1,000 a month in verifiable income and grants discounts on everything from flights to medications. Portugal's D7 visa mandates €766 per month income, but offers Schengen zone access. Thailand's retirement visa demands $25,000 in a local bank. Surprisingly, some countries like Mexico allow 6-month tourist visas indefinitely, renewed by brief border hops, a popular, permanent tourist strategy. San Miguel de Allende, Mexico, hosts 15,000-plus American retirees with dedicated social clubs and English-language services. Spain's Costa del Sol has entire towns like Benalmádena, where 40% of residents are expats. These communities provide built-in support networks, from hobby groups to legal assistance. Monthly meetups and digital forums help newcomers navigate cultural transitions while maintaining home country connections. According to the Global Peace Index, Portugal ranks 6th safest globally, higher than the US, 129th. Uruguay's stable democracy and low crime attract security-conscious retirees. Asian destinations like Taiwan combine safety with ultra-efficient public transport. Key indicators include healthcare infrastructure, political consistency, and police responsiveness, all thoroughly vetted in our country guides for worry-free relocation. Language barriers diminish in cities like Panama City, where 85% speak English, but rural areas require basic Spanish. Cultural navigation apps like CultureMe provide real-time etiquette tips. Banking hurdles exist. Some countries require local accounts for utilities, but services like Wise simplify international transfers. Seasonal weather extremes, monsoons, heat waves, can be mitigated by choosing elevation, like Colombia's eternal spring Medellin at 4,900 feet. Consider 3 factors. Budget. Can you live on 30 to 50% less than home? Adaptability. Are you comfortable with cultural change? And ties. How often will you visit family? Test drive locations through 3 to 6 month rentals before committing. Remember, geographic arbitrage isn't permanent. Many retirees rotate between countries. With proper planning, your golden years can be both financially sustainable and extraordinarily enriching.